Welcome, in front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can adjust startup apps. So you have to go for the settings at the first. Next you have to go for apps and switch to startup at the bottom. As you can see, by tapping on these switchers we can turn on or turn off apps. So for example, I'm going to turn off Microsoft OneDrive. I will leave enable Realtek HD Audio Universal Service. I will also leave enable Windows Security. And I would like also to enable the Skype. So when we are going to start our system, when we are going to log into our computer, those apps will normally start. So as you can see, it's very simple. You can also click to changing startup apps. And here we got basically the other instruction. So that's how you can make it. And if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.